This is Jamie with Assignment 2, Cloudera MapReduce Utopia Vote Count Demo. We'll be using the Florida Cyber Sandbox and the Cloudera platform to run a MapReduce program to tally the votes of multiple candidates. Okay, I'm in the Florida Cyber Sandbox and the Cloudera platform, and first thing we'll do is take a look at the input files to this program. So let's go to vote count, take a look at the input files. As you can see, there's 5 different candidates, and there's a input file that basically lists out the different votes that they got. And I have 3 of these files, and we can exit out of here, and I'll show you that there are 3 files that we'll be using, and they pretty much have the same similar content. File 2, and here's file 3. Okay. Go to the desktop browser real quick. We go to our workspace. We can look at the Java program real quick. And here's the Java program. Vote count reducer. There should be a vote count mapper. And then of course you have your main, which is right here. Okay. Okay, I've already created compiled the Java code, as well as created the jar file with the classes in them. The next step is to run the MapReduce program. So we execute the program. Program will take the input files, all 3 input files. We'll start assigning those files to individual mappers to process the file. The mappers will then take a look at the file, see who was counted as a vote, and assign a 1 to each of those names. Then once the map process is done, what will happen is they will now do a sort and shuffle to get to the right reducer process, and then the reducer process basically will tally up or count all the values of the votes for the individuals. So now you can see some of the processes here. So it's like 49 jobs as it goes through the MapReduce process. Merge 3 outputs. Okay, so if we look at the output, we'll go back to Hue browser and take a look at this output. So if you look at the Hue browser, it created the output directory, vote count out. It was successful, and we'll take a look at the R parts. As you can see, Jazal got 62 votes, GG got 55, Jinjin 44, Jojo 43, and Juju 46. So the reducer process consolidated those 3 files and tallied up all the votes, with Jaja winning the election. This concludes the demo. Thank you.